So here I have my preparation. I have 2/3 cup Carbquik, 2 eggs beaten, and 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. Now, first I'm going to spray my mushrooms once again with my olive oil. Okay. Then I'm going to take my mushroom and dip it in the Parmesan and coat it. Then in the egg. Okay. And then in the Carbquik. And I'm going to put it on a plate, and I have approximately 12 mushrooms. So I'm going to continue with each mushroom. So my mushrooms are all breaded with the Carbquik, the egg, and the Parmesan cheese, and my Ninja has preheated at 360 degrees for 5 minutes. So we're going to put them in and cook them for 10 minutes at 360 degrees. All right, I'm going to open the lid to my Ninja. And I do like to put a little more of the ham spray in. And now I'm going to add my mushrooms. Let's see how many I can fit in there. I've got 12 mushrooms in there. Okay. Let's close the lid. Start. Air crisp. Temperature 360. Time 10 minutes. And start. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. We're going to take a look at how the mushrooms are coming along. So here are the mushrooms. I'm going to pull them out. They are starting to look fried. So I'm going to spray a little more of my olive oil spray, and I'm going to place my mushrooms turned back in. And I'm going to put them back at 360 degrees. And this time I'm going to cook them for 7 minutes. I'm also going to give them one more coating of the pan. Okay, so start, air crisp, temperature 360. And 7 minutes and stop. Okay, so 7 minutes have passed. So a total cooking time of 17 minutes at 360 degrees. Let's lift the lid and let's take a look at our mushrooms. And here they are. And they look totally like breaded, fried mushrooms. They really look great. And we'll be trying one, my husband and myself, in just a minute. Okay, let me remove them. So here I have one that I cut in half, and as you can see, the breading is looking nice and crispy and brown, just like a fried breaded mushroom. So we're going to taste this and let you know how it is. These are really a winner. You're going to enjoy them. I hope you try it, and thank you for watching.